Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking to express the function u of t is equal to tangent t over 1 plus t in the form f of g. And as a reminder, f of g is f of g of x. We want this composition to equal u of t. So if we notice we have two tangent of t here, therefore the easiest way to do this composition is if our inner function, right, g of t, not g of x, is tangent of t. Why do we want to do this? Because then we're going to be plugging it into our function f, and we'll get a bunch of tangent of t's in the function where there used to be t's, right? So f of t is equal to, how do we find this? Well, this is g of t. So if f of g of t is this, f of t only has a t up here. Over 1 plus, again, there's a tangent of t here. There's a g of t, therefore, in this spot for f of g of t because we're plugging in g of t. Therefore, for f of t, we're only plugging in another t. So therefore, g of t is equal to tangent of t, f of t is equal to t over 1 plus t. Just to reiterate, when we're doing this composition, we're plugging in g of t, tangent of t, into this function. So we get tangent of t here over 1 plus tangent of t here, and this gets us back to u of t to get the full composition.